when she says, when she goes, chemical X, shake it, and then you go, duh.
No, I know, I just don't know. Okay, ready? Ready?
Sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the ingredients to create the perfect little girl. But Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction, chemical X. Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born, and using their ultra superpowers, Blossom, Buttle, and Buttercup have dedicated to their lives of fighting crime and the forces of evil. Dun 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 dun. Blossom, commander and the leader. Bubbles, she is the joy, the laughter. Buttercup, she's the toughest fighter. Powerpuff save the day. Dun dun dun. Fighting crime, trying to save the world, and they come just in time. The Powerpuff Girls.